Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix character goes into the free fall glitch in the Hogwarts Legacy. So I will show you the 4 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. Our first method is so simple and more effective that you have to just simply restart your system one time. After restarting your PC or system, you have to just again open your Hogwarts Legacy and hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our second method, you have to just open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once and then search here for devmgmt.msc and then click OK. So after your device manager open, you have to just click on the display adapter option and expand it. Right click on your driver and then click on the update driver. Doing so, you have to just click on search automatically for driver. And after searching, you can see that my driver has been updated and installed. So you have to just close and again open your Hogwarts Legacy. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our third method, you just need to update your Hogwarts Legacy. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Our fourth and the final solution is that you have to just verify the integrity of the game files. For this, you have to just open your Steam library and then right click on your Hogwarts Legacy and then click on the properties. Click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of your game files. In some cases, just to restart your game is enough to solve this error. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Like and comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.